Welcome to AAT Tech Talk of Python Programming. Myself Sanjay from CSIT branch, and today my AAT Tech Talk topic is TK Inter GUI Programming Toolkit. Let's know about TK Inter. What is graphical user interface? A graphical user interface is a type of user interface through which users interact with electronic devices via visual indicator representations. Python offers multiple options for developing GUI graphical user interface. Out of all the GUI methods, tkinter is the most commonly used method. It is a standard Python interface to the tk GUI toolkit shipped with Python. Python with tkinter is the fastest and easiest way to create the GUI applications. Creating a GUI using tkinter is an easy task. To create a tkinter app, import the module tkinter, create the main window container, add any number of widgets to the main window. Apply the event trigger on the widgets. Importing tkinter is same as importing any other module in the Python code. Note that the name of the module in Python 2x is tkinter and in Python 3 it is tkinter. And we can see here GUI is a desktop app which helps you to interact with computers. There are two main methods used which the user needs to remember while creating the Python application with GUI. tk screen name equal to none, base name none, comma class name tk. Use tk scores. To create main window, tkinter offers a method tk screen name none, base name none, class name. To change the name of the window, you can change the class name to desired one. The basic code used to create the main window of the application is m is equals to tkinter tk bracket, where m is the name of the main window object. Main loop. There is a method known by the name main loop is used when your application is ready to run. Main loop is an infinite loop used to run the application, wait for an event to occur and process the event as long as the window is not closed. Main loop. And this is the code for the main loop. Import tkinter, m is equals to tkinter.tk. Widgets are added here, m.mainLoop. tkinter also offers access to the geometric configuration of the widgets, which can organize the widgets in the parent windows. There are mainly three geometry manager classes. Class pack method. It organizes the widgets in blocks before placing in the parent widget. Grid method. It organizes the widgets in grid before placing in the parent widget. Place method. It organizes the widgets by placing them on specific positions directed by the programmer. There are a number of widgets which you can put in your tkinter application. Some of the major widgets are explained below. And there are 17 widgets button. To add a button in your application, this widget is used. The general syntax is w is equals to button brackets master dot option is equals to value, and this is the code for the button. Import tkinter as tk, r equal to tk dot tk, r title counting seconds, button equal to tk, a command equal to r dot destroy button dot back r main loop. And if we import this and if we run this code, the output is this one. And the second is canvas. It is used to draw pictures and other complex layouts like graphics, text and widgets. The general syntax is w is equals to canvas master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window, and this is the code for the canvas. Master equal to tk, w is equals to canvas bracket master dot width 40, height 60, l is equals to pack canvas height canvas width y. And if we run this code, the output we gonna get is the canvas. And the third one is check button. to select any number of options by displaying a number of options to a user as toggle button. The general syntax of the check button is W is equals to check button bracket master comma option equal to value. And the code for this check button is master equal to tk variable one int variable check button master equal to text mail variable where one grid row equals to 0 sticky is equals to w variable 2 int variable check button master text female. And if we run this total code, the output we are gonna get is this, and this is called the check button. And the next one is entry. It is used to input the single line text entry from the user. For multi-line text input, text widget is used. The general syntax is w is equals to entry bracket master comma option equal to value. And the code for this entry is master is equals to tk label master comma text first name grid row label master text last name grid row e1 entry master e2 entry master e1 grid row equals to 0 column equals to 1 e2 dot grid row equal to 1 column equal to 1 in loop bracket. And the output we are gonna get is the entry one. And the next one is frame. It acts as a container to hold the widgets. It is used for grouping and organizing the widgets. The general syntax is w equal to frame bracket master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to present the parent window. From tkinter import root equal to tk bracket frame equal to frame bracket root frame dot pack bracket bottom frame equal to frame bracket root. If you run this total code, run button equals to button run button back green button blue button root dot main loop, and the output we are gonna get for this frame is this. And the next one is label. It refers to the display box where you can put any text or image which can be updated at any time as per the code. The general syntax is w equal to label master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. And the code for this label is root equal to tk bracket w is equals to label bracket root comma text is equals to hello dot world, and this is the text w dot packet, and the output we are gonna get is this. And the next one is list box. It offers a list to the user from which the user can accept any number of options. The general syntax is and the general syntax is w is equals to list box bracket master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. From tkinter import top equals to tk lb is equals to list box top lb dot insert 1 comma python lb insert java lb insert 3 c4 any other lb dot back top dot main loop bracket. And the output we are gonna get is this. It is list box. Next one is menu button. It is a part of top down menu which stays on the window all the time. Every menu button has its own functionality. The general syntax is w is equals to menu button comma master equal to option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. And the code for this menu button is top equal to tk bracket mb is equals to menu button mb dot menu equal to menu c variable a variable mb dot menu dot add check button variable mb dot pack top dot main loop. And the output we are gonna get for this is the menu button. And the next one is the menu. It is used to create all kind of menus used by the application. The general syntax is w equal to menu master comma option value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window, and the code for this menu is this. if we run this code, the output we are gonna get is this one. And the next one is message. It refers to the multi-line and non-editable text. It works same as that of label. The general syntax is w equal to message comma the bracket master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. From tk inter import main equal to tk bracket or message. This is the message. Message variable message main text and message variable configuration, and this is the color of this light green. Message variable dot path main loop bracket, and the output we are gonna get is this message. And the next one is radio button. It is used to offer multi-choice option to the user. It offers several options to the user, and the user has to choose one option. The general syntax is w is equals to radio button master comma option equal to value. From tk inter import root equals to tk bracket v is equals to int variable bracket radio button bracket root comma text is equals to gfg variable v value 1 back and radio button 2 and the main loop. If we run this code, the output we are gonna get is the radio button. Scale. It is used to provide a graphical slider that allows to select any value from that scale. The general syntax is w is equals to scale bracket master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window. From tk enter import master equal to tk w is equals to scale w dot path w is equals to sec master comma 0 to 200 orient horizontal w pack bracket main loop, and the output we are gonna get is this scale. Scroll bar. It refers to the slide controller which will be used to implement listed widgets. The general syntax is w is equals to scroll bar bracket master comma option equal to value. Master is the parameter used to represent the parent window, and the code for this scroll bar is this. And if we run this code, the output we are gonna get is the scroll bar. And the next one is text. To edit a multi-line text format the way it has to be displayed, the general syntax is w equal to text comma master text master comma option equal to value. From tk enter import root equal to tk bracket t is equal to text bracket root comma height equal to 2 and width is 30, and it is height and it is width of this t dot pack bracket t insert end comma the Captain America slash n first Avenger slash n main loop. And if we run this code, the output we are gonna get is this one. And the next one is top level. The widget is directly controlled by the window manager. It do not need any parent window to work on. The general syntax is w is equals to top level bracket master comma option equal to value. From tk enter import root equal to tk bracket root dot title uh, bracket apostrophe gfg apostrophe bracket close top equals to top level bracket top dot title python top dot main loop, and the output we are gonna get is this one. And the next one is spinbox. It is an entry for entry widget. Here values can be input by selecting a fixed value of number. The general syntax is w equal to spinbox bracket master comma option equal to value. From tk enter import master equal to tk w is equals to spinbox master comma from 0 to 10 w dot pack bracket main loop bracket, and the output we are gonna get is this one. And the next one is band window. It is a container widget which is used to handle number of panes per arranged in it. The general syntax is w is equals to paint window bracket master comma option equal to value. From tk enter import m1 is equals to paint window m1, and the output we are gonna get is this one. The conclusion on this topic is, hence we completed the Python TK Inter. TK Inter is excellent for small, quick GUI applications, and it runs on more platforms than any other Python GUI toolkit. It is a good choice where portability is a prime concern. Thank you.